Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I'll show you laundry box POS. This is laundry management software. You can see admin panel. This is dashboard, pending orders, processing orders, ready to delivery, delivery orders, today delivery, then start overview, payment and expense. Then another option is POS, then status section, skin, then customer, service list, service type, add-ons, then expense list, expense category, inventory, product category, unit, purchase list, suppliers, purchase returns, purchase return payment, then report, daily report, order report, sale report, then expense report, tax report, purchase return report, stock report, then tools, financial year, transaction, mail setting, tools, SMS setting, rules, stuff, then settings, theme, you can customize your profile. If you want this, check out link in the description below. Thank you.